So yesterday's question, this is the trigonometric equation question. Okay. After this, we will start trigonometric inequations. Okay. After that, is characteristic and mantissa. Characteristic, mantissa, number of digits. Power is there, 2 power 252. What is the number of digits will happen? That thing we will solve. Then this chapter will be end. Okay, let's see here this question here. Log x with base y with base log xy with base 2 into log x by y with base 2 is equal to minus 3. Log x square log x with base 2 square plus log y with base 2 square equal to 5. Find the values of x and y. This the question is solve x and y. This is the question yesterday I get. This is a JEE mains question. Okay, let's see how to solve this type of questions. Okay, these are the type of questions how to solve. Like this one here, log a into b formula applied. The first equation I am solving. This is the lengthy one. Okay, log a into b formula is got here. Log a, okay, log a plus log b. The formula is here log a plus log b. And log a by b formula is what? Log a minus log b with the base 2. So this question is became like this. Okay, this is I applied log a plus log b, that is I applied log a minus log b. Tell me a plus b into a minus b formula. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So the formula according to this here log x plus b base a plus b into a minus b. This is become what? A square minus b square. What I get here? Log x with the base 2 square minus log y with base 2 square is equal to minus 3. This is what it becomes the first equation. This first equation turns in the Roman way like this. Let us go for the second equation. Second equation already it is there like this. Log square x with base 2 plus log square y with the base 2 is equal to, this is given 5. This is second equation. Solving 1 and 2 equations. Solving 1 and 2 here. Here if you solve 1 and 2, what I am going to get here? This is going to cancel out. So 2 times I am going to get here 2 times of log square x with base 2. This is 1 plus 1 2 and 5 minus 3 is 2. I am getting here 5 minus 3 is plus 2. So this I am going to get cancelled. 2 table 1 time gets cancelled. So what I am going to get here? Here I am getting here log x with the base 2 whole square is equal to 1. This square meaning square if you send that side, what I get here? Log x with the base 2 is equal to square of this root 1 value plus or minus 1. Square root of 1 is plus or minus 1. Then if you convert this as exponential form, what I am going to get here? X is equal to 2 power 1 plus 1, or I am getting x is equal to 2 power minus 1. Exponential form I converted. So x is equal to I am getting 2 and x is equal to I am getting 1 by 2. 2 power minus 1 can be written as what? 1 by 2. So I got x values. In options by seeing x values also you can pick the answer. But suppose x both are same given in some options, then we have to go for y to find. So x is equal to 2, whatever is there, x is equal to 2. Let us substitute any one of the equation. Anyone, either maybe first equation, either maybe second equation. Let us substitute. So I am substituting in the Roman one. Okay, I am substituting in the Roman one. If I substitute in the Roman one, what I am going to get here? See, now if I substitute in the Roman one, x is equal to 2 I am substituting. X is equal to 2 I am substituting in this. So what I am going to get here? Log square with base 2 plus 2. Okay, this is x is 2 minus log square y with base 2 is equal to what you have here? Minus 2. Log 2 with base 2. This value is how much? 1. 1 square is how much? 1. So 1 minus log square y with base 2 is equal to minus 2. This one send that side minus log square y with base 2. Log square y with base 2 is equal to this plus 1 if I send this side minus 3 minus 1. Okay, so what I am getting? Minus log square with the base y with base 2 is equal to minus 2. This minus gets cancelled. So why I am getting what here? If I square send that y with base 2 whole square is equal to 4. Square, if I send that side, what I am going to get here? Log y with the base 2 is equal to square root of 4 will be plus or minus 2. So y value will be how much? 2 cos square, or we get as y value will be 2 power minus 2. Once plus 2, once minus 2. It means y is equal to 4 or y is equal to 2 square is, that is 1 by 2 square we can write, that is 1 by 4. Hope you understand what I have wrote here. This is log y with base 2. Once it is 2, log y with base 2. Once it is minus 2. Applying exponential formula, you got y is equal to 4. See here, this is the way to find. This is the simplest way to find. If you take x is equal to 2, you got this one. You take x is equal to 1 by 2 also, the same answer you will get. Same answer you will get, that you can do it. That is, you can do it. So the final answer is x is equal to 2 comma 1 by 2, y is equal to 4 comma 1 by 4. This is the way to solve these questions. So hope you all types of questions, most of the questions I cover. One thing you need to do is what you want to get perfection. Only one thing you have to do is you have to write my notes properly. You take the screenshot of my videos, write the notes, and what you have to do here, every day whatever I taught, you wrote the notes, and that you should be revised. That you have to revise. Unless you don't revise, unless you don't concentrate and listen these classes properly, you will never going to understand anything, and you are never going to success. You want to get success, you have to see here. JEE means what? If you are solving any question I gave and you are solving simply, it means you are not learning JEE. Because simple things never going to ask by JEE. Out of 25 questions, the brilliant students who are scoring brilliant students, those will score only 13 questions, 12 questions in JEE. If they are writing out of questions, they are most brilliant students. Most of the students will write below 10 questions only. They don't answer all the questions in JEE in previous analysis. So if I am giving some question, you are going and directly you are doing solving simply in the fraction of minutes, means you are not learning JEE. You are learning simple thing. The simple thing never works in JEE. You want to learn difficult terms. You need to accept the difficulty. You have to learn the difficulty of the topic. Then only you are going to learn JEE. Otherwise, you don't have acceptance, you are not going to learn the difficult things, then you are not going to be sustained in this JEE competitive exam. You are not going to continue in this competitive exam. The competitive exam, 10 lakhs people are writing in JEE mains and advanced. 10 lakhs mains, they are writing mains, 10 lakhs numbers are writing. Out of 10 lakhs numbers in quota, other big institute, they will 5 to 6 lakhs numbers are studying. And here, we are the faculty from Hyderabad. We are teaching very well. So here these topics, unless you don't accept the toughness of the topic, you don't learn the toughness of the topic, you are not going to get rank in JEE. Never. Simple thing. If I write simple question, I said dash fill up. That things is never works. Okay. I can give you a number of questions like simple questions. If you solve, that never works for JEE. And one thing is in logarithm, only logarithm topic is that such thing is logarithm topic you have to learn properties and you need to know how to apply the properties. That basic I gave you lot. I gave you lot the basic which is required. And wavy curve method, I have seen why I am talking like this is wavy curve method I conducted the test. So I did not see only one person. I think that person has scored nice good marks. The rest of the people did not score well marks. So you are not scoring well. It means that you are not practicing well, and you are not writing my notes properly. You have to write the notes properly. You have to write the notes. You have to practice the notes, and you have to master in that. JEE means what do you know? What is their question? I learned the question. Never works. Still now in 10th class, what happened with this question is that prepare you will get in the exam. That type of things JEE never works. JEE mains and advanced means they will think of your analytical thinking. Your analytic thinking is how much? Your logical thinking is how much? They will see your logical thinking, analytical thinking, not the question and answer in JEE. You are going to fail your learning question and answer. You have to learn the content of the topic. content is there, you have to learn what is exactly logarithm, what are the properties, how to use, you should know. Wavy curve method is there, what is exactly inequalities and how to plot them on the number line, how to find the solution. All types of questions I am covering. I am covering all type of questions which is required for JEE Mains and Advanced, BIT Pilani, AIEEE, many competitive exams. I am covering all type of things. And this is a bridge course, and bridge course I am making very strong. And when I start in January month the IIT JEE Mains, that time I will cover many things. But this June month. So then what I want to say is, this difficulty you have to accept the difficulty, and you have to practice. You have to write the notes. You have to write the notes. You have to practice. You have to learn the content. Content means you have to learn the subject, not question and answer. If you are learning question and answer, never works in JEE. JEE means they are going to think your analytical thinking, logical thinking, how much you have. That matters a lot. Those who have that, they will success in the life. So this will be built. We have to build. Nobody will have. Now we have to build in ourselves. Yeah, these qualities we have to build. We have to learn this. Then you are learning this, you will be successful. Hope you understand. Let's see in the next class, next questions.